How's it going, guys? This is John Timoteo Gallardo, and today I will perform our experiment number 7 in digital electronics. It is entitled 8-bit pulse width modulations.
The objectives of this experiment are to understand the pulse width modulations or PWM operations and to apply PWM in brightness control of LED. Now here are the materials needed for our experiment. For this experiment, we will use the MPLAB XIDE and MPLAB XIPE applications. We will use MPLAB XIDE to create the program and MPLAB XIPE to install the program. Now let's start. Create a new project, select microchip embedded and standalone project. For the device, use PIC16F18875. Next, use XC8 as the compiler toolchain. Name the project Experiment 7. Then browse your desired target location for the project. Click Finish. After the loading is finished, click Tools, Embedded, then select MPLAB Code Configurator. Add the PWM6 and timer 2. For timer 2, change the clock source to FOSC/4, pause scalar to 1:16, and set the timer period to 16.384 milliseconds. For PWM6, select a timer should be timer 2, then go to pin module. Click the output of PWM6 under port A4. Uncheck the analog. Go back to the system module. The oscillator select should be HPin TOSC, the HF internal clock should be 4 MHz, the clock divider should be 4, and the low voltage programming enable should be checked. Then click Generate. After generation is complete, go to Project, Experiment 7, Source Files, then Main C. Now let's type the code. After typing the code, click Build and wait for it until build successful. Now we will connect the PK3 and ICD2 with the IC to our personal computer to install the program. Now open the MPLAB XIPE to install the program. We can see that our PK3 is recognized by the application. Check the IC and click Connect. Click OK. After connection is successful, go to Settings, Advanced Mode, enter the default password. Go to Power, set the voltage level to 3.125. Power target circuit from PK3 should be checked. After that, go back to Operate and browse our hex file. It can be found to the folder of our project location. After hex file loaded successfully, click Program. Click OK. Now that programming is complete, we can now disconnect our PK3 to get our IC. Now let's create the circuit. Now here's the result. We can observe that the LED slowly increases its brightness until it reaches its peak, then off, and repeats the cycle.
And that concludes our experiment number 7. See you guys next time. Goodbye.